At the time of enrollment, truly speaking, I couldn't speak any English sentence in confidently and fluently. Now I think I can speak in English confidently.
Welcome to the speaking test conducted by Rahas English Care. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, please?
My name is Irinamin Molly. You can call me Molly.
Okay, what do you do?
Right now, I am a student of Rahas English Care. Basically, I am housewife.
You are a housewife.
Yes.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children.
You have 3 children. Wow.
Yes.
Do you spend a lot of time with your children?
Yes, sir. I enjoy it very, very much.
Okay, where is your hometown?
My hometown is Borishal, which is very beautiful and southern part of Bangladesh.
What's your hometown famous for?
It is famous for guava, natural scenery, and there are many famous persons, A.K. Fazlul Haq, Jibanando Das, Sufia Kamal.
Sufia Kamal.
Yes, film actor Alamgir and playback singer Sabina Yasmin also.
Thank you for your information. Well, what traditional food is popular in your hometown?
Many kinds of pitha, like chitoi, then shioi pitha.
Okay. Do you use mobile phones?
Yes, sir. I use mobile phone.
Okay. What do you do with your mobile phone?
I contact my family members and use Facebook and use YouTube also. I also use it for ChatGPT for my study.
Okay. Do you think mobile phones are useful for the students?
Sometimes it is useful for students because our world is always becoming updated, and that's why I think they are useful to use mobile phone.
Have you ever lost your mobile phone?
No, sir.
Well, what will you do if you lose your mobile phone?
First of all, I feel very sorry. Then I will buy a new mobile phone.
You will buy a new mobile phone. Okay. Which one do you like? iPhones or Samsung?
I use Samsung. That's why I like
Okay, Samsung. Let's talk about letters. Have you ever written a love letter?
No,
Is
I
it
didn't.
true?
Yes, that's true.
Have you ever given someone a love letter?
Yes.
Whom did you give a love letter?
When I was reading class 8, then my classmate gave me a love letter.
Is there any color you dislike?
When I was child, I liked most red, but nowadays I don't like red.
Okay, what do you like now?
Now I like most white because it's a symbol of peace.
What types of dresses do you like to wear when you join a party?
I very much enjoying that time I wear shari because it suits me a lot and I can manage it very well.
Well, sounds perfect. Do you like celebrating birthdays?
Yes, I like. I celebrated my birthday and my daughter's birthday.
Okay, do you think that watching English movies can help us to develop our English skills?
Yes, sir. It's very important for us because we can gather new vocabulary, many new sentence. That's it.
Well, so you are about to finish your spoken English journey at Rahas English Care. So what's your final thought and feeling about our platform?
This journey is very effective for me. When I think that I enrolled here, and at the time of enrollment, truly speaking, I couldn't speak any English sentence in confidently and fluently. Now I think I can speak in English confidently.
Thank you very much. This is the end of your speaking test and wishing you a very bright future ahead.